Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you for mailing me to make a video how we can use Google Classroom, especially for the teachers. Those who are teaching online classes or want to use the online smart teaching, or those who are teaching from home, so you can use this video to refer. So let's get started. So once you open this Google, you can log into your email. So once you log into your mail, then you can go to this Google Apps, and then you can go here. There is a class. You can click to the class. Once you join the class, see, as of now I have already created the class here. This is my classes. But then if you want to join, here there is a, to the extreme right there is a plus sign. So you just have to click on the right side, this plus sign. If you are a student, you can join the class by clicking this join class, or if you are a teacher, so this video is especially for the teachers and all that. So this is a class, so you need to create a class here, and you have to agree to the license of this Google, and then continue, and then here you give the class name. Suppose you want to create for the science, here science class. So there section here you can give here you can give a teacher John. Okay, subject you can give like let's say you want to say as a physics. Okay, then room you can give a R1, and then you just create, and now it is creating for us the class. Once created, it will appear here, and now this is the class they have created for us. We have created a science, and we put a teacher name, this John, and you can see here class code. So without this code, the student will not be able to join the class, so they needed this code. So if you want to show them, you can also enlarge by clicking this, and this is the class code to join this science class. So after that you can close, and now you can see that there's a picture appearing here as a theme. So if you want to select change the theme, you can go and click this theme, or just below that there is also a photo. So if you have a nice photo that you can this size, you can also upload with that. But as of now we're going to choose select the theme which is available given by the Google. So you can select any one of this regarding to your subject. So let's say we select this, and then select class theme here. So immediately it will change to the theme that you like. Okay, so the next thing is we now go and do some of the settings. So whatever you do, the comments, post, it will appear here in this front page. The next is we go to the classroom here. There's a class work here. A lot of things like class assignment, and then you want to materials, you want to create a quiz, everything you're here. You will see this black box right now here. There's a plus sign is there, create is there. You just have to go and click the plus sign, and that will highlight us everything like assignment, quiz, then questions is there, material is there, reuse post is there. You want to create some topics, you can also do here. So there are a lot of things that you can it's very flexible, and thanks to the Google that have created a lot of things for each of these teachers. And these things, remember, this will go to your Google Drive class folder. They will create a separate folder for you in your Google Drive, and then you can also use Google Calendar to assign which time will be your class, what time will be the teachers should be available. All those kind of things you can also create in the calendar here. Then we have also have people, that means the teacher right now here, myself, I'm here. And then if you want to add other teacher, you can also add here. Then if you want to add a students, you can just click here, and then you can use their email to request. So the email address, suppose here I'm just putting here John, and then @gmail.com. So now here John is there, so you can just click this, and then you can invite. So, and the next person you just give, and the next, like that, so on. But as of now I'm not this is just a kind of a demo that I'm showing, so I'm not inviting these people, so I cancel. After that you can go to this grade, and then you can see if you have created about the grades and all that. But before that you can go to this settings, And in the settings, if you want to change anything that you want to change, so you can do so. You go to this here, whatever we have done, it's already here. The next is general. So general class code is given here, and the string that you are creating, it is here. Student can post their comment. Okay, so this is the thing. If you don't want this, student can only post. That means student can only give a comment instead of this post and comment. You can select student can only comments, or there is another one, only teacher can post or comment. So you can give. So but there's a free, we have a freedom of expression and freedom of speech. These things are there. So if you wanna, you can also just student can post and comments, or we can give this one, student can only comment. Okay, so they cannot post that. Class work on the string here, show condensed notifications. You can also see here, you can attachment of details or hide notifications. Okay, we can give it's okay. So by default it have given, so we'll keep this one here. Then show deleted items. If you want to see what are the things that you have deleted, you can also on this one. So right now, as of now, nothing is deleted. And then for creating the grading, you can come to this one here, grade calculations. There, overall grade calculations. As of now here, no overall grade, so you can select here total points or week by category. You can here total points. Okay, we're just given here total points as of now. Then show overall grade. So if you want to create a grade, you can just turn on this one, and they come here, add grade category. So we will just put here, so we will create here, and let's say we want to give a, okay, we'll just call this a theory. So in theory, let's say you want to give us a 50, and then here you want to give us a practical. Here practical, you can give us 50, and then if you want more, let's say you have given them assignment. So from the assignment, you can say there's a 20. Okay, or you can make it 100%, that you can make it 40 here. So here also 40, so that will make 100%. So if you want that, so you have created. So once you have created, you come up here, and if it is good to go, then you can just click save, and now boom, now the class is ready, and then you're good to go. So you just give the pose here. What will be the thing? You can give the comment here in the class, anything that, see here, anything that you write here, it will be posted. And then once you put the student here, invite all, they will be visible here. So that is how, friends, you can create the class room for the teachers to invite the students and all that, once you want to start your online classes or online teaching, or if you want to teach at home and help someone, your students, those who are staying at home, you can also. So I hope you like this video, and I'd like to thank you.